This is Gerardo Del Real with Resource Stock Digest. Joining me today is the president and CEO of FinEx Metals, Mr. Tero Kosonen. Tero, great to have you back on. Sir, gold is at $5,000, silver is at $82. Both seem to be headed higher. You had some drill results here over the last several months that definitely show a gold system and definitely provided, evidence of that and lots of smoke, but we didn't get the fire that, the market always likes. And both you and I know that exploration can take time, but I wanted to have you on because you had some news recently on an exploration license for a district scale project. And I think the market is discounting the fact that you have over a kilometer plus of strike to still test on the drilling that you just did. But outside of that, you also have several projects in the portfolio, including this one here. So I would love for you just to provide an overview on why you think there's a lot of value there, because you're dirt cheap. You're at a $7 million market cap with $5,000 gold, and I don't think that's going to last very long.
Absolutely. Well, thank you, Gerardo. Thanks for having me and for this opportunity. You're absolutely right. It's dirt cheap, and the gold is flying, as you just mentioned, and there's a lot of good sentiment in the market. But for some reason, FinEx is one of those discount ones right now, and you and me as investors, speculators, like those discounted ones, right? So I was just in the markets during a couple of past trading days. So here we are. Anyway, so let's get started with what you mentioned about our first gold project, which is called Ruoppa. And that's where we actually did the first pass initial drill program late last year. So 2,500 meters small program. But then again, it was definitely a technical success, much more than a commercial based on the market reaction. And as you mentioned, market players are not always patient, and that's what is required definitely in exploration. Having said that, technical success, 10 out of 14 holes intercepted gold. We just tested first 400, about 2.7 kilometer anomalous trend. So there is definitely a gold system there. We have now much better understanding on the structural controls and vein orientation. So definitely helped us identify several new targets. And what we're going to be doing is we're going to be on top of the additional exploration work, such as soil sampling and top of bedrock drilling and trenching. We are planning to do a phase 2 drill program, most likely in the second quarter, which probably going to be May this. So there are catalysts coming on, and we still have big faith in our Ruoppa project and the gold system that was identified. We just need to be chasing for those and more dense veins in that system. And then, secondly, you mentioned the news from last week was regarding Tero gold project. It's a very interesting, now fully permitted, 100% owned gold property. The strategic location, we're kind of in between of Kittilä mine by Agnico Eagle and then Rupert's Ikkari discovery. So we are about 15 kilometers southeast of the Kittilä mine and about 20 kilometers northwest of Ikkari discovery by Resources. So it's a great location. Same central Lapland greenstone belt, similar kind of rocks in there. Previous gold endowment identified by the Finnish Geological Survey, the GTK. So between 2002 and 2009, they drilled about almost 8 kilometers in there. So some very interesting gold intercepts, including some high-grade intersections. And they did just very, very shallow drilling, about 80 meters in average. So we are now analyzing and reinterpreting a bunch of big geological data from there and aiming to be drilling a bit deeper holes there during the second half. Most likely that's going to be August. So you can see there's much kind of immediate kind of catalyst for the upcoming months with FinEx. So we need to be active. We want to drilling.
No, listen, I think you hit the nail on the head there. You have to be active in this market, right? And look, the market is richly rewarding discoveries. You have multiple shots on goal with district scale projects, again, at a $7 million market cap with upcoming catalyst drill programs, multiple projects, and one of the better technical teams in the region. I am excited for 2026. Anything to add to that, Tero?
Well, basically, you put it very, very well there. I mean, summarizing all these things, the opportunities where we are right now. I would just want to add one more project. What we have, it's also fully permitted, very different. It's a critical raw materials project in Eastern Lapland Greenstone Belt. As I said, it's fully 100% owned, no royalties in there. There's been previous work done and intercepted GTK, the geological survey. They intercepted nickel, pretty good numbers, PG, platinum, palladium. Our additional work has also identified potential cobalt and copper in that one. So we're looking for a partner. As you know, our group of companies, for example, Headwater Gold and Intellectual Resources, we want to do kind of a hybrid model. So which means that we have some projects are partnered with the major, while then some of the projects we want to keep 100% by ourselves and do our own drilling. So that's something what we are looking for partner and advancing also that project in 2026. But yeah, to summarize, we have operating great jurisdiction, and very strategic locations, 100% owned, fully permitted properties, a portfolio of properties, a great local team, strong boots on the ground, and then what's important, many catalysts to come, as you said, multiple shots on goal, and we are cheap.
The name of the game is buy low, sell high, folks. This is the low part for FinEx,
That's right.
I suspect. So, Tero, thank you so much for coming on. I appreciate the time and looking forward to having you back on as the news flow and the catalyst continues to materialize. Thanks again.
Thank you, Gerardo. Appreciate this. Bye.
Hey everybody, Gerardo Del Real here. If you're enjoying the content that you just saw, you can let us know in 3 simple steps. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and please share across your network and on social media. Take care, everybody.